This is Hot Springs Island. I come into these springs every morning and I feel an abundance of healing because my ancestors are here and I can feel them, and sometimes I can even have a glimpse of them. If you know anything about Haida history, we believe in reincarnation, and my grandfather taught us when we were children. He said, in the future there's going to be many people interested in tourism and interested in our culture. You need to remember, Haidas have been everywhere in the world. Us two-leggeds, he'd say, we're all one. And he said, when people come to our island, he said, I want you to remember Yakhodang. That means respect. Respect yourself and respect visitors that come to our island. Because you never know. One of these visitors coming to our island could be our own. Gwaii means land of the people. It's open to all.
It does bring you a certain serenity when you come here. Especially with your energy, you're so calm and so centered.
And it's from my spirit because I have a little body, and I've been told that by a shaman, like, you think that you're not strong, he said, but your spirit is twice the size of your body. So always remember that. And that's where I get my courage from. Yeah, woo, oh yeah. Yeah, woo, oh yeah, yeah, woo, oh yeah, yeah, woo, oh yeah, hawalasa, kanu kuja, siwe, oh he, oh yeah.
Thank you.
That's for you.
Thank you.
You feel peace in your heart. And you remind me of myself.
It's so special. Thank you.
We're strong.
Yes, we are. Stronger than anyone will ever know. Sorry. Her energy kind of just hit me when she said she saw herself in me. It kind of made me centered. It brought me back to here and now. And I think that I was here, but now I'm here, you know?